Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, rolling.
Yes!
Welcome sa ato ang 9th episode! And welcome back sa atong friend.
Welcome back! Welcome back!
Same character from the last episode.
Yes!
Yes.
Nice, nice.
Same character energy.
Yes. Mga plastic gihapon na.
As in,
Kuan ba, before anything else, I wanna talk about sa nahitabo sa Showtime. Katong giganog 30,000 pero wala siya, dili siya happy.
yeah.
Wait, but first,
No, ikisisigag sign language. Ay, walay may.
Wala si Mike. Nanikabot ka pa ba, uy?
So yun sa
yung
yung
non-verbal.
sige, mga opinionated ng gitang tanan, what can you say about that episode, about that kanang
no, before our comment, unsa di ang mechanics ato? Dili unsa mechanics
What
kay
happened?
mura siya kuan, mura siya
So basically, she won 30,000 pesos.
Okay.
And then, murag wa pa siya na happy because she wants more.
Yes.
No,
the way for her to
ang game,
the way for her to get more is kuan man na lang siya piliun, di ba, ang money or katong questions. Kung question siya niya, matubag niya ang kuan.
mas dako ang
Mas dako ang
price.
price, like
So-
100,000,
So meaning wala na siya ni choose na siya sa 30K,
Sa 30K.
kay sure na.
Sure na.
She didn't act happy. She was so
Yeah.
disappointed because she wanted
Yeah.
more.
Yeah, she wanted more, but she didn't pick the question kay basta hindi siya katubag, which
Oh.
is
Pero
kasabot
di ba ang
sa
question, kay di ba giingnan mo siya ni Vice sa last, o mao ni ang question, makatubag ani katong unsa ang rice nga other names sa niya. Iyang gitubag kay buko pandan.
Ah,
Ya dili sakto iyang tubag gihapon. Bali gipa-answer na siya ni Vice ba para lang maka-feel siya nga. Oh, then no siya ka-answer. Buko pandan man iyang rice, iyang answer kay
Pandan man yung rice?
ay buko pandan iyang answer. Ang answer kay dinarodal.
Dinagdagan?
Basta lahi na basta
Dinuguan.
dadalhin by Reggie.
Shout out.
Dinuguan.
Anyway, so comment
Basta
na.
wrong ang iyang answer unta.
Yeah.
So,
Wrong unta. Wa di
Best
siya kadaog atong murag kintahay major prize.
I think no kasabot ka sa needs niya ba nga. Murag
Yeah.
kuwan gyud siguro ang 30K.
Probably.
Ba? Siguro wrong lang ang placement sa iyang emotions. I don't know, murag dapat wala siguro siya nagpakitag disappointment sa TV. Kaya ano, in the first place, that's not the right place for you to ask for help. If need mo kay education mo na siyang anak. So kasabot yun ka, like, desperate man mo, ito ni join sa game. But I think di lang siya nindot magod nga example to show on television nga murag ungrateful ka tan-aon ba. Although kasabot na sa iyang part basin need good siya.
Basin kuan pud to kanang natural to niya nga reaction
Reaction
ba
basin
nga
pod.
kanang spur of the moment nga uy
Ano siya 30K ra.
kabati ang kagamay ana ba
Yeah.
Kay kato na time nga ni-react siya nga uy gamay ra ang 30K. Wala pa man gud to ang question sa major prize. So naa pa ang expectations ba nga murag ay basig maka-answer ko ani mas dako pa niya ako makuha. So murag siya guro sa iyang mind mas kuan guro siya nga ay i-try pa nako ang major prize pero like ang mga host kay di ba syempre gi-encourage na nga 30K kay kung di ka katubag zero.
Zero. O di ba like 0 or 30K.
Correct.
Exactly.
Diba? I think she made the right choice but she wasn't just kaning satisfied. Wala siya kay kuwang gyud ang 30K which magbuot mo nga reality man niya nga kuwang man gyud ang 30K, di ba?
I
So
guess it was
I think the wrong was just the
wrong place lang
yes,
siguro.
the projection of her emotion ba on television. Makasabot ka sa reaction sa mga people nga ka-ungrateful sad nimo.
Yeah.
Ikaw pa ni join diha nga wala kay gigahin nga kwarta, di ba? Nya gigaan kag 30K, you should be happy.
So I have a question. If di ba ang reaction mo, makita na happy sa reaction, what do you think is a good reaction na para dili na maka-think na, uy, kung man dapat?
I don't think there's a good reaction.
Sige, bad na lang.
Right now,
See, that's so good.
reaction was not grateful.
Okay, my
It was just
mostly-
the reaction that you no, it was just the reaction na we got from her. But it's not necessarily mean na we're like parang bati yung reaction. Maybe it was just her reaction and that's something we cannot invalidate, diba? But if we were in her shoes, we would probably do
Do this
different.
or the same.
Yeah, like the
We
same.
would never know kay lahi
Yeah.
man sagot ang feels kung nadyo ka na nga moment.
That's true, yeah.
I think this siguro good ang term, more of appropriate.
Yes.
Like unsa may appropriate nga reaction nga free money man na. Like
Yeah.
o di ba so mo appreciate yung ka like television is there to like kanang entertain us.
Yes.
It's not the expectation of kanang hala ma-change yun akong kinabuhi tungod nila.
That's true, yeah.
I guess karon because syempre frustrating. Ato na ning gi-discuss 2 episodes ago, frustrating man gyud kayo ang kahimtang sa ato ang so
Yeah.
everyone is like
Desperate.
desperate yun. So mo lang, I guess sakto jud si Seg, murag makasabot kasi ang reaction, but at the same time, di sad ka makamahay sa mga tanaw, sa mga tao nga gatanaw
Yes.
ba nga. Ngano nga na kate? Let us pa ka makapunit og 30k. Walay mga tag ni mag 30k randomly.
Yes, you don't wake up and have 30K.
Oh,
That's
so I think ka na lang.
Most especially sa siguro ang magtanaw, for example, sa iyahapong kinabuhi ba, more makaana po siya nga, may galikan na kay 30k. Ako diri wala. More ana siguro ba.
I think hopefully naka-realize siya nga. Niuli siya nga, di siya luhaan kay na siya 30K.
I think naka-realize man siya.
After,
Kay
ni chat siya nimo?
di
O ni tawag.
sa mga
Day,
Hindi mo sa 30K.
ni-tweet si ate.
Dili, actually, if itala mo sa iyang video, wala siya nag-thank you ni Vice, di ba? Murag, ngayon siya, pasalamat na lang, siya, sige na lang, magana siya niya. Putos, okay na po. Yung murag, si Vice, murag, kuan yun siya, but murag na off yun si Vice, which is very, kuan
Kasabot
yun.
sad ka.
Oo, kasabot yun kasi reaction, murag, basin kita, maglagot, guro ta. And then, gipa-answer niya sa question, niya, pag-answer sa question,
Waka
mura na
na wrong.
naghahayagan iyahang now.
Nasakto ko.
Oh, kung if ever ni answer ko,
Yes.
ani, di
Saka
ko kakuha.
Zero, ginunta
So,
siya.
nauli-ulian na siya, but syempre, ang mga splice videos, i-highlight yun to ang asa ang
Asa ang controversial.
grabe ba kayo kakuan ng mga tao nga dapat magkuan jud na jud negative reaction
Na issue.
May ako'y question. If nakay 30K karon unsay pinakauna nga palito? Unsay palito nimo first?
Pesos?
Pesos.
I can't think of anything now. Kamusta?
30K.
Ako ibayad sa akong kondo sa monthly.
Period. Period. Ikaw.
Akong help sa less fortunate na
Wow!
mga tao.
Very charitable.
ipuno na
You're
ako
30,000 pesos?
Yeah.
30k
Ano na sa dollars? Sa Canadian.
Mga 800?
well
Pinas.
same guro na ay pa-pretty sa Pilipinas pero kanang doon ng Father's Day so I'm gonna send it to my
Actually,
parents
yeah.
kay kuan na happy Father's Day celebration.
Ikaw siya.
Ulit ko piyaya.
Amazing.
Bago di magbabuhang pag inaon ng piyaya ka.
Pero tayo ng 30k.
Pwede ang una lang pa.
Di pa check piyaya niya yung i-resell.
Hindi pwede mong business.
Piyaya.
I think I would buy a horse.
Oh.
Yeah, I like horseback riding.
Buang man ni sila. That's why adrenaline rush. Mau gani.
Alatan mo lahat na lang talaga.
Ipa-fact check na lang easy kung tagpilang horse.
I think it's around 100.
Yeah, so
so
sufficient.
So, kung ano sa
Horse.
half sa horse.
Horse meat na lang. Horse meat, ground meat. Sorry, Pita.
Mutapal pa siya dahil.
Uy, you guys don't like horses?
Well, number one.
I love to see about sa Philippines. Yeah, I would buy a horse, like a really healthy, fat, muscled horse.
Sisi, sa 30,000 bisig pony rin.
Actually,
Mahal ni kay ang horse.
Yes, like
Yeah.
80 or 150 to 200.
Probably more than that now.
Makabay man kag horse. O ningon makog horse pero gitibi. So, bawag ka na lang siya.
Ilang horse, regular.
Okay, fact check.
Ano pa fact check? Para natin matubag.
According to Google.
Searching.
30,000.
Oh, 30,000 for a local native.
I already googled that.
Oh, okay, you get one. All right.
Yeah, horse, totoo.
Kay ikaw, Seg.
Thank you for remembering. Ako, if na ko 30K, nanunota naman ko eh.
Mabalik ka New York?
Kuwang ra ang 30K.
Actually, yung ticket na siguro na.
Yeah, 30k is less
One
than
way.
1k.
Yeah.
I think, hiling kong shopping good.
Sa unsa?
Pero feel ako, ang half, i-donate ako sa dog shelter. Hindi ka tulog eh. Ang half na ako i-shopping.
Love
Shopping
it.
good.
Pero unsa mga particular product imong paliton sa 15,000?
Ay, kapag nga na ha. Pag sige, so ronjud ko nimo.
Naman din further question.
Product ko on. I think gusto ko mapalit og kaning one whole formal attire.
Suit in
Suit yun.
Vietnam.
Not really in Vietnam.
Size ba?
Amo gani, well-suited suit for your
yes.
well-suited
Yeah.
body.
Yes, how
Nice. Kinsa pang wala? Ikaw, manaka.
answer.
Oh, that's that's good.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay.
Daog ang piyaya for me.
Yes.
It's the piyaya.
Piyoyo, eh.
Dili at niyaya niya isuroy sa kuan
Sa?
sa family.
Sa isuroy.
Isuroy, hindi mo
Sa
maligyan.
resort man imong i-add to.
Ganagos balboal.
Balboal.
You're gonna turn it into a business?
No, masuroy sila sa family.
Wala reaction pa rin kung 30K.
Masuroy sila sa family.
Oh, uy sila. Dili ang piyaya ang isuroy.
Oh.
I just realized you'll go on a vacation with your family.
Yeah. Mag-vacation sila sa family with the
Piyaya.
At least, di ba, wala na yung food?
Yeah.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner,
Yeah.
dessert, palagi.
Piyaya.
Daog ang piyaya.
Anyway, for this episode, mag-play tag game na giduwa ito pag episode 7.
Oh my God!
Katong we'll have a word and then we'll create a definition using one word. So mag-team-team na sad.
Sige, game.
Sorry, I still don't know the name of the game.
I think it's the word game.
The word game?
Board game.
Period.
Kimi.
Kami to long
Sige.
Okay,
kamusta
kami
ka
to. Oh my God, the smart ones.
Ayay!
What are you trying to
Ayay! Ayay!
Close to my
Wow.
Sila pa daw.
Kami may
Dago sa last.
Let's just say you're the funny ones.
Kailangan di pa magka-issue. Magumba ang pundok.
Hoy, alam ko wet twice, be.
Sige. Sige na. Okay, kamu nga team.
Okay.
Sige, kita yung una mo play. Kamu hatag sa word. Kisa mo guess sa word na to. Ikaw, Meka.
Wait,
So,
so na word.
So they're gonna give out a word. They're gonna give it to Sag and me. So we're the
We're
only
gonna have
one.
to create a definition.
A word.
But-
Truk.
Yeah, we just give one word each. And then
we don't have a bell.
We complete a
With a
sentence that will define the
The
word
word.
na ilang give.
Yes.
Yeah, you have to identify the word
Mhm.
as an identifier
Yes.
with identity crisis. Sige, give a word. I-type.
Type it and then-
Karami gabi. Sayon kayo, no? Lingkod lang tayo im... Hulo, uy!
Sayo-
no, grabe siya.
Ano ba sa kunin ka?
Okay, so the word is. Sa edit ba?
The word is... Ano man daw? The word is... Okay.
Unsa ni mo Tagalog or Bisaya? Bisaya na lang basta. Bislish. Bisaya, English. Basta, sige. Iingon na lang kung English or Tagalog or what. It's English. Pero
English.
if we do it,
Whatever.
whatever.
Yes. Basta one word lang.
Oh.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
This
Is
a
food
that
we
enjoy
with
honey
and...
butter.
Pancake.
Nag-guess naman siya.
Ay,
No,
dang.
it's okay.
Hindi word.
Wala.
Doon
Waffle.
As in,
We can do it.
Kaya lang. Kaya na lang to. Sige, trial. Sis, trial, it's a trial.
Namuwang din. Trial to, pero Kamu next.
Sige, trial. Let's do a trial. Okay.
Why kalusot ka rin na?
Lain na dyan naka leather jacket.
Tingnan may guard ka, Chaya.
So, mo guys na to.
Ikaw.
Okay.
Kisa mo guess.
Siya.
Ako, baby.
English, Tagalog. English.
English.
Hello.
Okay, so you have to say go ha if confident na mo sa inyong sentence. Ayaw answer diretso. Trial pa man sa. Okay. The word is si Z, ang edit, the word.
Can we borrow one microphone for Karina?
Sure.
Thanks. Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
This
Is
a
Mode.
of
Transportation.
that
We
ride
all
walks
all walks
Of life. Ay, saba.
Life?
Padugay ha. This?
Pa-essay na.
O, continue lang.
Translink?
Wow, this translate.
Gives.
Gives. I told you they're the fun ones.
Compass?
That.
Sila ba?
Dapat ka mo yung go. Go. Confident ka na?
Train.
Ay!
Alright.
Oh, trial. Sige, okay. The first team to get 2 points win the game.
Okay.
Wins the
Uy, pero
game.
dapat man good na ay grammar.
Hindi na kasi, uy,
Sis,
dapat
lain
yung
ba
Bisaya to.
Lain man kay sis na individual words. So, example, iron, metal, huh? Yun sa man, mo ganing...
No, Sis, kailangan na ng strategy
Ah,
as
sige.
a team.
Ay,
Kasi
nako.
like,
Sige.
Okay, grammar na to, don't worry. Sige,
Give us a word.
give us a word.
Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe the YouTube podcast. We also have a TikTok account
And an Instagram account.
and an Instagram
where we
account.
post splices of videos.
Yes, and if you think there's a episode where you laughed a lot, like, you can always reshare it to your stories. Okay?
Ako daw.
Uy.
Listen na. Change na natin.
We respect.
Ay, Kerry.
Diba? Hamburgera. Oh, sige.
Grammar, what it's made out of, ha?
Sige.
Mm.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ikaw na. Ako na. Coffee.
Maker.
Mm. Asa yung grammar na to, ani?
Is
What?
this
Coffee is what this? Balik na ba?
Wala, no. Sige na. Okay.
Tayo na lang, girl.
Milk.
And
Coffee. Nagbarista ka sa
espresso.
Cup.
More.
More.
Way more.
Kasi last word mo?
This is why
That's
that's why dapat grammatic. Balik.
Di mo
Coffee gani.
Sis, padayo na! Yung last word. Padayo.
No pressure.
Kasi mo last word. What na nila?
Coffee. First is good. Coffee. Adjective. Verb. Coffee. Is. Ingon og is.
Is added with milk and
Ice.
and
In a cup. Word by word lang. In a cup.
Word in a.
This nasad ka. Asa na grammar? Five. Hindi ka next. Kaya pa? Mura dito din. This is kami na
kasi last word mo.
Darasad. Sis, I expected
Oh,
na
sige lang. Kay wrong kayo coffee. O the first coffee. Coffee bar?
Wala ko coffee is added with milk and
Ay, iwak ni Kasan. Iwak ni Argalan.
Sige lang sis, go.
the.
Yeah.
Man, iced coffee ra akong
Oh, wait, one word na sis.
one word.
Coffee.
The ingredient the.
Ay!
Okay na. I think it's fair to say. I think it's fair to say wala may points.
Ayaw na, guys.
Wala may points. Last. Oh, time limit. Sige, time limit. 0 pa man tanan, no?
I-guess. Sige na. Oh, guess na.
Iced coffee lagi na.
One word lang.
Wrong na,
Latte.
latte.
Zero
Sis,
na.
wrong. Kung ingredient, yung nakaguna, this
Omega.
is made of
Uy, nakating ko. Pwede ka matag mix.
Mo gani.
coffee. Unsa mo ko isunod na to?
With Milk. Latte.
Sayon.
Bayot. Tulo na ka words. Latte na tato.
Mas makagets kayo nga, this is
Coffee with coffee with milk.
Oh.
Espresso mo gud ang gamit, not just coffee.
Yeah. Starbucks.
Mao gani.
Ila ka?
Latte.
Ang espresso, last or
Latte is coffee.
Latte is milk with coffee with espresso.
Mao gani.
Oh.
My God.
Sige, fine. Fine. Zero. Okay, we give up. 0 all. Sige. Okay, 0. Okay, we have to think. I'll think this.
Easy mo imusat og this. Mao
Okay na, okay na.
Hindi mo mag-think kung sa i-answer sa sunod. Ang inyo na mag-words ra mo.
Oh, ayaw pa
Oh, dapat fast.
Ay, hindi ka mag-words.
Bumoto siya ingon.
ang safe gid na this is mao jud na ang
Oh, nya mo ingon sa di. Oh, coffee is mixed with milk.
milk na. Coffee is mixed with. Coffee is mixed with
milk.
See you on the next Pundok in the
coffee is mixed with milk man jud usually.
As on today,
Magbuot gid siya mga barista pa kaya.
okay, fine.
coffee.
Mao
What is the
Well, there's a lot of different kinds of coffee.
I think the most respectable in the room is the Starbucks assistant manager. So for the latte, what is the chemical compounds in the cup?
Okay, chemical compounds. Oy.
I mean the ingredients.
Well, if you were to really, say something.
Okay, for a latte. What is a latte?
A latte.
Okay.
If you wanna describe it, you would say this is milk with espresso.
Mauna akong giinom kong espresso.
So, what is espresso? Juice, di ba dili? Coffee, oh. Tama na.
But we can also say kasi brewed coffee, we have
No,
iced
gani.
coffee
Aso
also.
akong sayop. Okay, moving on.
Coffee is a generic term.
So,
Zero na.
sige,
tawag
zero.
na.
As a competitive, ang tulo,
Di na kita mabawi.
ma'am, ang tulo ka
Sige na,
corporate
sige na,
competitive. Okay, go.
Hoy, basta ha.
Bumalik rin friendship
Basta ha. Wala ni amiga gyapon
No, this is
ha.
Of course. Okay, kayo mo guess. Ikaw wala ka.
Ate mo
We'll
mag-up.
take care of you. Okay.
Basta ha, ambak lang masakit ang ingredient na ano.
Tagay ko naglisod-lisod.
Yes.
Ay, okay. Kasi mo guess.
So yeah.
Okay, so go. I love
Ate, ang yapon.
Ay, puke.
This is your microphone, dear.
Sayang na na.
Ang law ni Karina.
Wait, guys.
Ay,
Let's-
isot ni.
Guys,
ni.
instructions is it has to be fast, ha?
Nagkakasyon ni mo. Ay, this is a semi-fast.
Ay, basta Karina dito mo start of egg ha.
Dali, masumpag ka mo ng galito jacket. Sige na, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Ay, na kay Mike. Is that working?
Wala.
Yes, it's working.
Go.
4, 3, 2,
Ako
go.
na. This is made of eggs
And
coated with orange color flour
street
fried food.
Go!
Quick.
Ingaan na magbuhay mo kasi next.
Girl, mic drop.
Okay, come on.
Saan sa na itong grammar?
Okay, 1 point.
Yan mo guess.
Ako noon na.
Lahit naman sa ng person mo guess.
Ikaw, come on.
Okay, himo na mo nag-word.
Siya mo guess. Ano ba niya?
Ay, blood.
Gipaningot.
Ano? Sinuhay mo. Di ba may mag-check? Ikaw lang sisigi.
Wala, ingon ba ka, we're the smart ones, ha?
Okay.
What?
Yung ka-smart ones.
I know. I just realized this game is not for the high IQ.
Ingon na, ka answer.
Okay, who's guessing?
Me.
This is your microphone. Oh, you.
1, 2, 3.
Ikaw na?
English, Tagalog,
Okay.
or Bisaya.
English.
All languages.
All languages.
This ang muna din.
It's red.
Coffee.
I'm ready.
Make it quick. Again, what's the
Make
word?
it quick. Oh my God, I'm not gonna look.
OA.
Over.
Okay, 1,
Guys, go.
This.
S. Food
That.
is
Sweet.
and
Is.
hard
And.
Sorry, did you say sweet already?
Yeah. Yeah.
Sweet and
Sweet and
ingredients.
and wait lang. And kids
Love.
to
Lick.
it
On.
their
Tongue.
More.
Okay.
What the heck?
and
And it.
is
so
on.
easy.
it is on the
Stick.
candy.
Okay.
Go.
Go.
Lollipop.
Yeah.
Okay. One. You know where I got confused?
Where?
Because it could be popsicle.
Hmm.
It could be a lollipop.
Over.
It could be a lollipop. It is lollipop.
It could be a biko on a stick.
Bayot biko.
One
Okay.
all.
Okay, one
Okay,
all.
now we have to think. So who's gonna guess?
Sa inyo. Oh, napa mo yung cherries.
Again?
Again ka?
I can guess.
Okay,
sige,
sige.
sige, guess.
Bakit kayo ko mag-guess, sir? So, hindi ko mag-guess.
Baka bad po na kung guess ha, but it's okay. This is a fair game.
Basin, basin
Yes.
akong description. Ate, basin mo siya dito.
No, question.
Lahat mo
Okay,
lagi
sige.
ko. Hindi ko Chris lang yan.
Easier kayo?
Mag-guess ko.
Sometimes ba yung pinaka-easy may list to explain?
Actually.
Sige. Wala coming from you. Sige.
I'm guessing.
Basig idulit din mo sa Sige, go.
Alright, no! Okay, sayang!
Okay, ready?
No! Ako pa, John!
Sige na.
Atay, Biani!
Have you used that?
1, 2, 3, go.
This is used when
Sexual.
making
And
bisa ko sa resulting intercourse.
elastic.
Stretchy.
Sabaw na siya, oh.
Condom?
2 points. Parigaan ninyo yung chan.
Okay,
Kasi tuto.
Okay,
Sige.
okay. Sana say
Pero daw sa gabi.
Okay. You're gonna guess that.
Ako bad guesser kay ko pero may kay ko mo describe.
Give us a word. Hindi wow. Give
Ay,
Siso kayo.
mo na siya pa yung tagang chance. Huwag pa man siya ka-guess.
Sige, paspas yung game.
Mapaspas ka.
Alam nga, 2 raman sa di mo giingon na points. Pwede man 4.
Sige,
4 day.
Ah, okay.
Pila na to points.
Basta mapilditaan ni daog na sila.
Sige.
No, but we're not gonna lose. Okay. We never lose. It's always lessons learned.
Period. It's either we win or we learn.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Because if we fail, we always fail forward.
Ay.
Fell for you.
Ay,
Yes.
sinagret.
Yes, secret bro.
1, 2, 3.
May ka mo kuha na Zizi. May ka mo describe.
Okay.
Ayun ganay.
Magbuot na sa ni Sharon sa word.
Ikaw una.
Ikaw una.
Coffee.
This
Is
A liquid
item
that
is
used
when
friction
is
there.
and
Okay. Sliminess.
makes
Slimy na. What's your last name? What's your last name, gang? What's your last Mix?
Yeah, mix. It's an M-A-K-E-S. Mix, not mix.
Oh.
Mix. Slimy
M-A-K-E-S.
mix.
Oh! Sliminess makes.
Options,
wait.
no options. They'll give signal.
Sakto na yun.
I don't like that word. Insertion.
Easy.
Year. Easy.
I think lubricant.
Ay, nag-teach ko ba kay Ojo ko gamit na.
My God.
Kita. Okay, mawala ni.
Yeah.
No, it's a tie. Tie
So nobody won.
Yeah.
We both won.
Yeah.
Congrats, everyone. Yes.
Friendly game pa rin siguro.
Anyway, it was fun. It was fun.
Yes.
Okay.
Well, technically, we won because during the trial, we won, diba?
Oh, sige na.
Sige, sige.
No, guys, we're just joking, guys, of our competitiveness.
Yes.
Okay,
I don't think you're joking.
Kaya I haven't asked ba because we usually ask when like how was your week?
Yes.
This time around, I'm gonna ask what are you looking forward to sa coming a week?
Next week.
Quick.
Ooh,
What are you looking forward to this week?
This week, not me. Ay, ako agad. Wait, let me plan my week first.
I think I'm excited to try new sports.
Period.
Oh.
Because I feel like sometimes if I'm crew in the head, I always do creative stuff. But now I'm doing sports.
Yung mag-English man.
I used to run pickleball, tennis. If you guys want to
Yeah.
play, let me know, okay?
Okay, period.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Ako, sorry, very corporate.
work.
Yes,
One for
work.
rents.
So I created this training program for supervisors, managers. I'm kind of scared to do it, but I'm also looking forward to it. So mag-roll out ko first week of July. So excited ko kay naaman mi sa murag scheduling part na mani pa-roll out na mi so na-approve na ang whole presentation and all those stuff. So that's something that I'm looking forward to.
Yeah.
Sorry, work related.
Okay ba?
My high school friends are coming. Yes, because I have two high school friends nga nasa Alberta. And I have one high school friend from UK. So she's coming here. They're staying at our house. Dili siya may kompleto sa barkada. Kaya napaman ang uban sa Philippines. But, so kaming upat kay ganahan ato mga pasad ang uban but time constraint napila yung reason so kaming upat niya so manisa sila sa Vancouver niya after mag-drive na to Alberta. So, I'm looking forward.
Yes.
Opo ko na, but probably it's gonna be more of like Revy. Probably more on work lang siya. Kasi I'm still on my
Training.
second week training. So hopefully it will be easy kasi I've connected with some successful ASMs and they really think that the second week was the toughest. So that's something I really wanna look forward to.
Nice.
Period.
Ikaw, Sis.
Productive.
Ano siya?
Sports.
Oh, yeah.
I don't really have plans for next week, but I'm excited to read more books.
Nice.
That's
Yes. Sometimes we don't need grandeur plans.
Of course.
Sometimes, relaxing and just doing
Yes.
things you love is already a good plan.
But it's also great to have always something to look forward.
Yeah,
To keep you
It's
motivated.
the motivation, yeah.
Yeah. Ako, same lang sa work, but I'm
Ano sa naman sana ba? Ikaw serious ka na. What are you looking forward?
ako na lang dyan mo initiate for me.
Guys, di siya narcissistic.
Bitaw sa mo guys, pangutan mo sa comment sa akong look forward.
What are you looking forward to?
Wala rasad, work rasad gyud. But I'm not excited sa work because daghan kay reports.
Yeah.
Dagag reports. Kaya kung boss kaning nanghatag siya reports ako, basta di ko excited sa work. But it's a challenging report. I'm looking forward to it, but like not really looking forward. It's just gotta be part of my week, but I have no choice.
Yeah.
Pero alam ko ma-learn, so okay ra.
That's true.
Yeah.
All right, for the last segment, the Pangutana segment, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
You should because you have no choice.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, I have cards here. These cards are from Chris.
Oh.
Like card game ito na.
Hot seat.
Hot seat cards. So mo pick mo one question and you have to answer the question.
Oh my God.
Ha? Answer lang quickly ha. Dili mag MMK. Okay. Wants to go first.
You go first.
Okay, di masuko.
I'll do it to you then. Someone will do it to you.
Yeah.
You go first.
No, you pick and then we'll answer.
I'll read it for
question.
you.
We'll read you the question.
Okay.
Read the question.
All right. Are you ready?
I was born.
Here's your question. What animal would I choose or would you choose if you could transform into one for a day?
Oh, that's a good
Do you
question.
want me to repeat the question?
No,
That sounds familiar.
we've asked that before.
No, you answered that from
Last episode.
Wow.
Okay.
Last week, diba?
The last
Do you wanna
Animal
pick
man na.
Yeah. Carlo, you said Carlo
Ay,
last
exactly.
week.
So, next question.
Okay,
Next question.
pick another one.
Malay nyo, ganahan kong ok-ok.
Kaya!
Wala na yung excitement na basa. O, ikaw na sa basa, Ceze.
Okay, this is your question, candidate number 39. What is something that you wish you never found out about? Again, what is something that you wish you never found
Oh my God,
about?
thank God, stop.
Why? Why not? When and where?
And how? And how? And how?
What?
Controversial.
Loy, kalisod sa. What
Anyway,
is something that I wish I had never found out about?
I just want to say, this is a safe space.
That's
Oh my God.
true.
and it's just 6 people here.
Yeah.
Zero
For me,
audience.
That means, kaninga akong answer will be cut.
Do you need time?
No, what is something I wish I never found out na mayaman pala talaga kami. Marakara.
Lakas mo ka AI
Switch in birth.
Something, okay. How I wish I did not find sa letter A. Hindi ko sure. Unsa man, siguro may tagwa na ko
Naibawaan.
Ay, thank you sa pag-translate. Para bang di ko kaibaw.
Nagdungan yun ta.
May pagwala na ko nahibawaan nga
Anak ko sa gawas.
nga ampun day ko.
Mo ka, oy.
Wala man ko matubag. Uy, wait lang.
Aber, I think it's too personal for you to say.
Maybe.
That's in. Ikaw na lang yung pag-ako.
Like sometimes there are things we don't want to share because it's too personal. And we
Okay, I think I know
respect
where
you.
you're coming.
Ah.
Or what you're talking about. So siguro, I sa coffee mo.
Kung sabihin yun ni.
I wish you knew about latte.
Basta release next episode, kabaw na.
Ang sabi naman. Sige, I wish I never found out na naanay anak akong papa sa other family. But that was before.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that was before. So happy?
Say, please know that we're here.
Ay, oy, dugay na ito dahil. Dugay na, and all of us knew na
Yes,
na siya, family.
Okay.
But
One
that's the
kilometer
only
ba?
thing, one thing na you wish you didn't, diba?
Yeah.
But
But at the end of the day, it's better that you know
of
it.
course, yeah.
But there are also
It's
things.
top up first, but
There's pros and
now,
cons. There's
yeah.
pros and cons. Yeah. It's harder for you to know something. Murag, it's so rare. Well, di naman siya rare, but it's not something that you wish to happen sa yung family, di ba?
That's true.
Of course.
Diba?
Of course.
Pero guys, we've moved on it. We're okay.
Yes.
True.
And of course, dili na mo ma-share.
Siguro-
Siguro if kung
Di
you're
ko okay.
still okay.
Or siguro it's more how I wish dili ako ang unang nakaibaw.
Okay.
Kaya ako may naka
Una kay Bao.
una. Yes. So next.
Aw,
And you think that, right? For some
Yeah, for
some point.
a couple of months.
Okay.
thank you for sharing that.
Yeah.
Sam.
You're welcome.
So mo ka yun.
Okay, next.
That goes to my heart.
Okay.
Cherries.
Oh, let's get this over with.
Wow.
Period.
I love it.
I'm the human
Kami may
latte.
If I couldn't live in the city I live in now, what city would you live in? Again, if you couldn't live in the city you're living in now, what city would you live in?
I think,
If wala ka karon sa Vancouver, asam ka masiki? Dili, ito para niya. Kailan siya,
Dili, I think we were talking about this earlier, kami ni Chris. Kanang relocating. If ever, kung wala ko na sa Vancouver, I think I would have really like going to Australia.
Oh.
I don't know specifically unsa siya na city
City.
dito,
But the country would
but the
be-
country would be nice.
Why?
You like Andrews?
And how?
Yeah. Dili, I think kuan ko sa accent.
Oh.
Ay,
Yeah.
makaya. Kuan sa...
Yes.
Hopefully, I think murag mas kuan ang summers dito. I don't know
Longer?
kung longer ang summer. I don't really like winter.
It's cheaper.
so-
No, not like the
I know.
but the flights to go to the to go back to Philippines. So it's cheaper.
Kay mas doon.
Yeah.
Oh.
Period.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
You. Wow.
Over.
Ang imo sa palaran ka.
Use the mic.
Ah, sige.
Ay, ikaw na like. Ikaw na basa pa na ako ang tapulin. Ay,
Ikaw na shoplift.
What is the worst gift you've ever received? Sisi ha, dili ako.
Why is it so controversial?
Okay. Wala man. No.
Is there a backstory?
No, of
that I
course.
don't know
There's
of?
Front story or
Why?
no front?
There's no worst gift naman because I appreciate everything that was given to me.
Bad gifts na
Let
lang.
me put that out. But
Explain mo yan.
no kasi I'm
Ay,
not
pag Tagalog, day.
English to die. No, di na ako particular sa price and all, but I would appreciate na makareceive ko gift na kanaganing
Cash?
kanaganing na nahuna-hunaan or gihuna-huna gid ba?
Thoughtfulness.
Thoughtfulness, yes.
Yeah. You
Pero-
mean like, dili lang kay basta lang nga i-gift nga gihat.
That's true. Yes.
Period.
So, oh my God. Really?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, candidate number 3.
Saman.
Napa na siya.
Wala pa. Ano pa Gadali ka or ano ba? Mag-order na ba tag taxi na?
Mag-order ng taxi.
Ay,
continue.
So, naka-receive ko one time og say term ano yun?
Mug?
Biko.
Alarm clock? English?
Yaya.
Nasa bahay? Nakakain?
Ay, mura ko sa man ni guessing game. Sa man yun eh.
Ibalik mo dito sa game.
Uy, really?
But you know
I
what?
feel like they're gonna watch this.
Yeah, you know what? Guys, if it's gonna steer some pot, I don't think it's a good thing to say it. Because
No, but it's not so.
But depende ni mo, what can you share?
kay ma-offended ang naghatag.
If ikatalang ning
Ay, bleep na lang. Sige, sige. Oh, inga na lang, i-bleep na lang.
Na inihatag ni mo og bleep.
Okay na.
Wait,
O sa man naghatag.
promise, i-bleep
Ikat na.
Sige,
I-bleep
go.
na lang.
Kasawo ka. Pero di naman, wala man makaila or anything.
It's not controversial.
Yeah, it's
Oo.
not controversial. Grabe na po. At saka,
Go.
Sige, hatag.
natagaan ko og picture frame nga wala ko ka-gets sa connection sa naa sa picture.
Ako man to, Sisi.
Pero wala to siya.
Picture frame.
A picture frame. No. Mura ganin siyang picture
Nag-print
frame.
siyang
na-
picture.
Hindi siya print. Kalagay siyang decorative nga frame. Yeah, siya. Yes.
Nya wala ni connect sa
Dugay
imuha
na
ang
ni.
Yes. Dugay na ni siya. Sa Philippines pa ni.
Sisi, basin kailangan to ni mo tangtangon.
Oo,
Kung ano to siya display. Ikaw ibutang.
It's picture frame.
Usag siya sa akong i-post niya pangatag unta. Pero dili man good kay ako man pong giingnan ang naghatag nga kanang mas magamit niya siya sa uban.
Bitaw.
Honest.
That's a good answer. Thank you for the honesty.
Okay. Thank you. Next.
It's your turn. Ako i-read.
Over.
What do I regret not doing?
Oh, easy. No, not spending more time with my grandmom and parents. That's it. Because we all are so busy with our careers, with our
That's true.
PRs, getting our yeah. Because my grandma died in February,
Mm.
and she keeps telling me, "No, we go back now for Christmas," but I didn't because we're always thinking about money and career. But at the end of the day, my God, career will always be there.
Yeah.
PR will always be there. Canada will always be there. The lives of your family is limited. So that's my biggest realization.
You learn it in a hard way, diba? But
Yeah.
okay.
How hard?
It's so hard. Anyway, that's it, guys.
Period. Okay.
Diba?
Something you can learn from. So maybe spend more time with the people you have now, like your parents.
Yeah, that's why I'm going home. Bye, guys.
Okay, for the last card.
Wala pa siya. Go.
Second to the last. Di masuko.
Okay, basa. Okay, basa.
What can someone do to gain my respect immediately?
Oh my God!
My
Your
respect.
Yes.
Again.
The question is,
Bigyan niya.
what can someone do to gain your respect immediately? Like urgently? Like right now?
Right now,
Dili man ko hard iko eh.
Oh.
Charing.
Manlibre. Respect tayo na. As anong libre?
Grabe naman sa dayo eh. As if ako mga friends magsigpang libre day.
Dili nagutubag na.
Uy, mura. Son pa dyan.
I guess if I feel that person is a good person, kanang dali ra kay ko ma-turn off if like ikaw nga makakita ko nimo nga disrespectful ka sa laing tao.
Or what? Sige, what action mo makigang ay, that is so nice. No, that is so nice.
Oh, that is
Kaya nga magain mo din mong respect niya.
Maybe going above and beyond sa like wala kay expectation as a friend or as a person, but he or she went over and beyond. For example, most of my best friends, again, dili kayo may regular mag-communicate, but when they feel na something is off or like kanang murag nag-isolate ko kay I don't even have to reach out to them. They reach out to me immediately to check in. And for me, important kay na siya kay that means, you know, the friendship is always there and they care without you kanang asking for that attention gani. And I feel like even kanang kung bago lang na friendship or bago na kung kaila, kung ganahan kayo mag-reach out gani kanang mangumusta or dili gid mangumusta kay kumusta maka na mag-hangout ta or kanang ganahan mo spend time with you ba nga dili na ka kinahanglan mamugos or kinahanglan I feel like that would kanang make me gain my respect. Okay kanang maayo ni siya nga tao kana abot lang ha kay
Yeah.
It's a good
Ganan
answer.
kumutubag ani ba?
okay go
Kaning ako kanang makagain gyud og respect ang tao, like makahatag og respect if kada bitong respect mo kuan sila sa mga elderly people.
Mm.
Like simple actions like sa bus, mailah yung papalingkuro.
That's true.
Mahumok yun akong heart nga.
so like in general na siya nga situation
Ka-sweet, uy nga na po. Palabangon ang tiguwa. May nga na nga tao. I don't know, feel ako, if naka-respect sa elderly ka, respectful ka nga pagkatao. That's just me.
well lang sad kuno kay ang ako am good kay nagtan-on po sa ako ang self but like in general lang kay kanang kuan love ang ilaha parents
O kana sad.
kanang mao na ako kanang
Kanang murag magkurog silang parents kay mahadlok ba kasabon.
or kanang I have a lot of things to say yun kana ganing mag debate karon nga if mag-give ka sa mong parents or dili di ba daghan kay mag-issue na nga
Yes.
kung anak ka dili na ka dapat if mama papa ka dili na ka mag-expect sa mga anak ka maghatag nimo I have a lot of things to say ana but I makakuha jud ka sa ko respeto if kanang naa ka sa
Yeah.
side of it's okay to give back sa
Yeah,
imong parents
that's true.
mo na ang ako ang kuan
Yes,
yeah,
of
just
course.
in general sense
Yes. Agree. Okay,
Karina
for the
ikaw
last
na lang
card.
basta,
Kita ka mang kutsuro. Kita naman.
Ang sino nakatanan?
Ay, ganahan ka 2-hour podcast.
ikaw basa
Kaoshing. What is one skill? What is one skill you would love to have?
One skill?
Use your microphone. What is one skill
One
you would love to have?
skill. Isip lang siya. One skill. One skill?
Dito na kami go.
Anything, for example, na pwede sa mong trabaho, kung napaingani nga skill, ano ba?
Like,
Mag-French
as-
daw.
assembling furniture. That's a skill.
Mag-French daw. Kaya para lower ang
Or goto. Mamit ka mo.
Or gardening.
Sa man skill.
Or mukhaon sa kumo.
Or makeup application is a skill.
I feel man good nga ka na murag.
Perfect ka na, wow.
Just everything.
Kanan akong gusto buhaton nga kadto
Nabuhat
na
na.
hunahan ako, nabuhat na nako ba. Skill,
Perfect.
skill, maybe man. O kana, katong ganahan ko may mong detective, di ba? For apart ana, katong nay one time nga nagsige kog tanaw og kanang mga kanang hospital drama ba? Na-amaze ko og mga surgeons. So murag kana siguro no, kung,
Nice.
I don't know kung lang siguro na born lang ko in a sa mana
Yeah.
in a
well-off.
well-off household,
Yeah.
no?
That can afford medicine.
Oh, medicine. Siguro nindo ta to kana medicine.
Saba untang surgery.
Real. Asking. Malas ka rin na.
Lingawang
Ang bunting! Buntingan na ron. Inga naman sa operation, di ba? Ako na i-insert.
Di magdugay ang mask kay makaon na sa kadakog ko ang
Kana
karina.
ra.
Okay.
Nice close to my heart.
That's it.
Ah,
Did you guys have fun?
Yes!
Taas-taas nga episode, kinagag nahitabo.
Maura to! Hapit mag-away.
Hmm.
Naman na
1 hour na to.
May question?
1 hour na to.
Sa may ganahan ni mong buhaton?
Char lang.
Nagkuha mo kaaway sa coffee daw. Wala na.
Ano naman yung naka-final question?
Wala, Raz. Okay, question. If you would, play a sport, what would you wanna play?
Oh,
Yeah.
ako.
Just light things lang.
Sport, di ba?
Oo.
Frustration na ako ang kuan.
Sabi na ko ang sport niya, ang frustration.
Ang volleyball.
Ano man?
Ganagi ko magtanaw, pero
Aha.
di man dyan ako. Dili gid mi magka-communicate sa kuan. O dagan man jud ko ang bola pa daw nako. Oy, pero ganagi ko sa volleyball.
Ikaw, Seg. Ako, oy, kayo lagi nga naka-start, no? Ano, yun always, thanks for asking. Galang kong volleyball sa una mo, sunod akong varsity volleyball. Mag- Padung pa man ko. Padung pa ko tubag. Di siya, okay.
Di siya pwede mag-long answer.
Hindi pwede mo atang sa introduction. Saan na nagali ko pangutan noon.
Okay, let's do it again. What sports you wanna do?
So, ganahan, mag-varsity yun ako. Mudo ako volleyball, but dili, ganahan ako sa una mag-varsity, pet.
May man ka mo
For
volleyball.
some reason, kamaw ko
Volleyball,
yes.
Amega, di ba?
Pero nga, kuha din sports po, ganan unta i-continue is, kuan, sport dance.
Dance sport.
Dance sports!
Mapasaylo, amiga, mapasaylo.
Sige lang, dali naman mag-cut.
Oh, don't cut that. That's funny.
Ididili.
What kind ka ng ballroom
Dance
sports? Hip-hop?
Kaysa una manggod ang Barangay Hippodromo Village. Nagkuha na sila mga kids nga hilig mo sayaw. So,
Okay.
join ko na practice mi sa Mabolo Gym.
Ballroom?
Ballroom.
Oh, nice.
Like jive. Ano ba?
Sampuli mi be.
Ay. ni sayo di ka na ni try go cheer dance sa una but na-stop man good to for some reason kay mas ni focus ko sa laing dance which is nag-cheer dance ko pag elementary. Pero ganun to kay kunti ko ma-watch ko kung kung
No.
kanindot untaan na. Bato to. Sports
Nice.
dance.
Storya mo yan.
How about you, Rev? Any
Ako kay
sports?
soccer. So pag
Oh,
na-college na ko,
soccer.
nag-soccer baseball ko, then feeling na ko,
Soccer man daw ka.
Soccer
Sa
on.
una.
soccer baseball.
Ganun pag soccer, di ata man ka. Uy, nice mo ng sport ng soccer. Favorite Angelo. I cannot relate.
So high school ko, soccer baseball ko, then amin ako, mauna na.
What's a soccer baseball ba yun?
Baseball siya kang may bases.
Soccer pa, baseball pa. Oh, 2-in-1?
Kanang
Kapis?
soccer ball, pero na kay baseball, base 1, base 1.
Mabuot, jud ka. I'm so sorry, guys.
Ano akong story,
We don't have that in Bantayan Island. Sunday soccer
Soccer
baseball.
baseball ko sa all girls, sa kanang intrams ko nga team. Abi na ko mauna na siya. So ni duwa kog intrams gyapon pag abot sa college na ani na kanang legitimate nga soccer mga dala.
Wow.
Ya wala man ko ni try out, wala nag anything. Unya nagting ko may panipada murag kung karon man gud nga example na naka sa 30s pero sayangan ko ba nga nindot mo ito na kay sports sa una. Kaya ang imuhang physical, ang exercise, ang habit building, naa na ba? So, muna siya, kaya naman nga question, soccer ako. Kanang legit, like soccer yun.
Lagi mo ka.
Soccer.
Yes.
Sino ibang soccer, baseball, nga walas bantayan.
Sige, next na ang legit nga soccer.
Wala
Ay,
ka
ako
ulit
soccer ka sa una. Wala din.
Wala. Ay, karon na lang na.
Nag-soccer din ka.
Dear, what's your sports?
Ikaw sa...
Ay, ako?
Oh.
No, ako nag-ask ninyo. Last na lang ko. Ay,
Bida.
what's the soccer you... What's the soccer you... What's the sport you wanna do? Ay, ikaw, wala pa ka? Ikaw sa, because you have the mic. Since you have the microphone.
Ano,
Soccer sad.
well, aside from soccer,
And if you're a player of a soccer, what do you call yourself? Oh, soccer pa rin. Soccerist. Oh, Diyos ko, Lord.
ganahan ko mo try og
Jack Stone. Char lang.
No, swimming.
that's true.
Swimming.
Sa pool or sa ocean?
Either way.
Or sa lake?
No, well, if we're talking about sports, I think more of like sa pool siguro.
Sa pool.
Yes.
What's the pool? Closed pool or outside pool?
ka sa bayot. Oy!
Sige na, ikaw na, Cha. Ikaw, Cha. What
Ako
sports?
kay mo ingon ako og kanang sige na kanang flexible kayo.
Sungga? Sungga? Jack Stone? Ikaw naman! Mahjong.
Murag kayo, apart kayo ang gymnastics. So, karate. I think nindot siya for the health. Defending myself.
Yeah.
Just outside points.
Wala, ano ganun.
Wait, tumukot ako.
Nice.
Sige, sis!
Dapat siya, oh.
What's your sport?
Volleyball. Mao na,
Ikaw.
hindi ka pwede ma-director, hindi ka maminaw. What sports would you want to play?
I was into golf before, but I wanna go back to golf again.
So golf ang answer.
So, na-golf sa bantayan.
Yes, wala na try. Oh, I kinda wanna do. Kato mo anang kite, niya magkapot og kite, niya mudagan sa mountain.
Paragliding.
Niya mo ana.
Is that a sport?
Paragliding?
Yeah, that's a sport. Ay,
Yo, I thought entertainment lang na. So like parang
Sige, change na
Di
nila
mo
to
mag-bot
entertainment.
sports,
Mag-change
try.
ko.
Malain niya na siya.
I want sungka. Madaling kausap.
Yes.
Paragliding ba na?
Yeah, something like that.
Oo.
Oo. But,
Kapag ganan ko makatry, ano ka naman nahihigtan inyong tiil niya?
Adi mo kang nanok.
Bungee jumping!
I will try that.
Bungee jumping!
Ka, where?
Bohol.
Wow.
Yeah.
Kasi
Wala
talk
ka
about
na-
Bohol.
Nice kayo. Nindot ka siya pag-ubos pero boring na siya pag
Amazing.
adto na
Going
kapag going up. Yeah.
Naay ko anay sa Whistler.
Okay na ko dahil.
Wow.
Bungee jumping.
Kailangan ko try.
Yeah, paragliding. Mo man ang mag-anak ka.
Dili ka na
Kana
ako.
iya, ha?
Lahat
Kuan
sa
na.
ako. Our researcher for today is Ravi
Fact check.
Marie.
Kite ka siya. Kite.
Riding
Kite sailing.
Kite sailing.
Kanang mag-
Dili. Wala siya ocean.
Kanang mulupad ko siya.
Mukha ko grao niya mo. Anak ko sa mountain.
Kanang na.
Paragliding.
Amo na siya.
Di sakto mo.
Muna ka to sa Rio de Janeiro,
Pero-
Brazil.
Change niya akong sungka.
But it was such a fun episode.
Great episode.
Happy ta mag-away.
It was fun and loud.
Very and long.
Yes!
And it was very entertaining, guys. Thank you.
Thank you for your sportsmanship. Sportsmanship.
I'm excited for the sports dance.
Ikat jud na.
Funny man to!
Asa ni Nakabawi na jud kasi umasayo. Lagi. Bitaw, thank you so much guys for joining.
Yes, thank you. And thank you everyone. Again, this is our kapila na nila to? Ninth
Ninth
episode. So watch out for our next episode kay magkuyog na sadta.
Yes.
So salamat kayo sa pagkuyog na mo karon. Ako diay si Revy.
Karina!
Chris!
Cherise.
And Angela.
And once again, Angie. And once again, I am Seg. Salamat so much guys again sa
Thank
pag-join
you.
ng mga ating atapok. And we hope to see you again sa sunod ng mga pundok.
Okay, picture, thumbnail.